If you want to remove a watermark from a TikTok video that isn't yours, you have a couple of options. First, you can download the video and crop it to hide the watermark. This is simple but not ideal. Second, you can use third-party downloader to save the video without the watermark. However, these apps and sites can be risky as they may contain malware or compromise your account security. We recommend trying the cropping method first. For more tips on removing watermarks from TikTok videos or downloading videos, you can check out other tutorials. And if you really want to use third-party websites, you can go ahead and search for TikTok video watermark remover, and you'll get several options to go for. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.